Welcome to the Business Finance Bulletin, episode 213. Welcome again to the latest Business Finance Bulletin with me, Rob Warlow from Business Loan Services, the commercial finance experts. In this bulletin, Barclays Bank launches green trade loans, corporate insolvencies continue to rise, and late payment insights from Xero. Let's start this week's bulletin by taking a look at an announcement from Barclays Bank and that has launched a new finance package aimed at businesses involved in sustainable activities. Now, these businesses involved in the green sector can sometimes find it rather challenging when it comes to raising finance, which is why Barclays Bank has launched its green trade loans package. This package of finance is available for businesses involved in activities such as energy improvement and energy efficiency, waste management, sustainable water and green transport, any sector involved in green activities. The package is designed to help you make payments to your suppliers and also receiving payments from buyers. If you are exporting your product, then there's also a tie-up with the UK Export Credit Agency, all designed to help access to finance easier to ease your cash flow. So if you are involved in that sector and you want to know more, just go along to the Barclays website, which is barclayscorporate.com/green. Moving on now to something a bit more gloomy, and that's a review of the latest insolvency stats as issued by the Insolvency Service. They've issued details of corporate insolvencies for the first quarter of 2018, and the figures have revealed, unfortunately, a rise in corporate insolvencies. In the first quarter of 2018, 4,462 firms entered into insolvency arrangements, and that's an increase of just under 13% compared to quarter 1 2017. Quite a big jump. So which sectors are suffering? Well, perhaps not surprisingly, the biggest one is construction. That's coming on the back of the Carillion administration and, unfortunately, due to the number of sub-suppliers who also subsequently fell over. The next largest is businesses involved in wholesale and retail. As we know, a lot of pressure being felt on the high street with falling consumer demand. And in third place, businesses involved in the automotive trade, particularly car repairs. So we can see a lot of pressure there amongst a variety of sectors. As ever, my advice is if your business is under pressure, it's about taking the appropriate professional advice. And that really comes from seeking views and guidance from a licensed insolvency practitioner. If you need to go and find somebody, just go along to your favourite search engine and type in your town or your area and search for licensed insolvency practitioner. And there you will find somebody who will be able to give you the appropriate professional advice. Let's move on now to our old friend late payment with some interesting insights from Xero, the online accounting software provider, about late payments. Now, if you think about it, the likes of Xero are well placed to know exactly what is going on when it comes to payment of invoices. As you know, you put your invoices into a system like Xero, you input a date when that payment is due, and of course then you also put the date in when it's actually paid. So Xero is, say, well placed to see exactly what is going on. Well, Xero has looked at activity levels during 2017 and it's found out that 52% of invoices were paid late. On average, if you have 30-day terms, people are typically paying within 40 days. If you are dealing with a FTSE 350 size business, well, their payment days on average is 46 days. So you can see the bigger firms are stretching it a little bit. So pressure continues when it comes to late payment. Also, the FSB, the Federation of Small Businesses, has also undertaken a look at this when it comes to businesses dealing with the public sector. And it seems that 89% of public sector are paying late. Also, local government. If you're dealing with local government, it seems 91% of them are paying late. And central government, well, 89% of invoices there are paid late as well. A big problem for the government to tackle. Well, that's it for another bulletin. As ever, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a like and a share. Thanks very much. Look forward to being with you again next time. Have a great, successful and profitable week.